Here's an example of a conversion problem where we're using the metric system and we're going from one metric unit to another, but we have to go through the unit that has one letter. In this case, kilograms is technically not the base unit, right? But we have to go through grams. So our plan here for number one is to go from kilograms to grams to milligrams, because that's what our conversion factors will help us do. We do not have a way to get straight from kilograms to milligrams, so we can't do that one. Okay, so I'm just going to erase that possibility altogether. So let's start here with 0.6 kilograms. Okay, I like to write it over 1 to make it look like it's a fraction and put it in parentheses. And then we're going to write a conversion factor here. And we know that we want kilograms to cancel. So we're going to put kilograms in the denominator so that they will cancel here. And we're going to put grams in the numerator. And then we just need to go look up our conversion factor and see which numbers go where. So when I switch, you're going to go look at your conversion sheet and you're going to look for the K, because the K is the prefix. So I am looking for K in my list and I see it right here. In my list, it doesn't let me write on the screen, but I see kilo here is defined, so 1 kilo is defined as 1,000 of anything. Here it's giving me kilometers, but this also works for grams or liters or whatever I would like from the metric system. So then I need to put the 1 always with the kilo, whatever that is, equals 1,000, in this case, grams. So then let's go back and write the 1 with the double letters with the kilograms, and the 1,000, okay, goes with the grams. Remember, grams are pretty small, if you remember from chemistry. And a kilogram is not so small. So this matches my expectation, okay? But I'm not done yet. I'm going to keep going because I need to get to milligrams. So I've gotten kilograms to cancel. Now I need grams to go away, and I would like to end up with milligrams. Okay, so then go back to the table. I know that 1 milligram, now I'm looking for the M prefix. So now I'm looking here in the table. M stands for milli. 1 milligram equals, there's an equal sign right here, equals 0.001 grams. Okay? So then that's what I would write up here. So I'm always put the 1 with the double letters, and then the other, the definition, okay, is in terms of the single letter. Okay, so often people ask me, does the 1 go in the numerator or the denominator? Well, it might go either way, but the 1 always goes with the double letter, the thing with the prefix. Okay, so then when I do this on my calculator, okay, what I'm really going to do is like do 0.6. If I wrote it out, you're probably never going to do this. 0.6 times 1,000, right, times 1 milligrams, all over 1 times 1 times 0.001, right? All the things in the bottom cancels here. Okay, so then I want you to go and find your calculator. I'll go and find mine and multiply the numerators, divide by the denominator. Okay, so did you get a really big answer? You should have gotten 600,000. Okay, and I'm gonna put milligrams there. And then the last question I need to ask myself is, do I have the right number of sig figs? So this original number had 1 sig fig, because this 0 right here doesn't count. It's just holding the 6 out in the correct decimal place, right? I could technically write this as 6 times 10 to the -1, okay? So then this also just has 1 sig fig, so that's fine. And then I'm just gonna, like, box my answer. Okay, I'm done. I did expect to get a large number because milligrams are tiny, so I expected a lot of them in 0.6 kilograms.